Fiverr is the largest global marketplace for buying and selling microservices. You can find any service you need starting from just $5. Furthermore, you can provide the services you're proficient in and begin earning profits from $5 as well. In summary, accomplish your tasks and provide services to others, beginning from just $5. In this video, we will explore how to effectively use the Fiverr platform, covering essential tips and diverse services you can offer to achieve a consistent income from this website. The name Fiverr comes from the word five, because the basic service price is $5, and you can buy more than one service. The platform has really established its presence and popularity, significantly broadening its service offerings. This now allows sellers and service providers to enhance their services and achieve higher quality, enabling them to effectively compete with other freelancing sites. For instance, if you go into design, you'll discover a wide range of services starting at $5 and up. It also shows a rating for the available services, which varies depending on the seller's level. There are two main sections of Fiverr, the regular Fiverr we're browsing now and Fiverr Pro. Returning to the main page, you have the option to access Fiverr Pro, where professional services are provided. These services come with higher pricing compared to the ones we previously viewed. The current rating displayed is 4.8 out of 5. Once you click on it, you can see how many users have purchased the service. For example, more than 700 people have purchased this service. The service provider additionally displays samples of his designs, each of which is valued at $20. So, he has sold 700 services at $20 each, and that's just from this one service alone. There are other services too, like translation, article writing, voiceover, and so on. You also have the option to filter by best-selling services, or you can select services based on your budget. You pick the minimum and maximum price for services you seek. Additionally, you can choose the service based on delivery time, the service provider's level, or their nationality. After that, you select the service's topic. Also, if you're in a rush, you have the option to select individuals who are presently online and available on the platform. In the beginning, it will be difficult to work on Fiverr, and it's not easy to get a good rating and a large number of clients. Therefore, you have to access the site, be patient, and compete to achieve a good financial return. These are the pros and cons. You can provide straightforward and basic services, such as YouTube banners, video thumbnails, or intros, as well as Facebook banners. The website often displays images suggesting you can easily work while relaxing by a lake, but this portrayal is far from the truth. The real situation is actually more like this image. It's a demanding task since, to succeed on Fiverr, you must consistently produce highly skilled and top-quality work to achieve a positive rating. Just one negative rating can significantly delay your progress and reduce the visibility of your services to potential clients. Furthermore, there are also clients who actively search for new service providers, enticed by their cheaper rates, so the work isn't always 100% comfortable. One of the downsides of working on Fiverr is that there are no set work hours, and some orders can be very urgent. So, in essence, you do somewhat sacrifice your personal life in exchange for earning a good rating and a consistent income. And don't forget that every service has a specific delivery time. When your business expands and you gain a substantial number of clients, you can enlist others to assist you in exchange for a portion of the profits. This is crucial for succeeding on Fiverr. Constantly developing and keeping up with the latest innovations in the services you offer is essential to generating sales. For new users on the platform, Fiverr enables you to provide up to 7 services that you are capable of performing. And if you list 7 services, you will boost your work opportunities, increasing your earnings even more. Furthermore, you will later select the most popular of these 7 services and then focus on developing them further. Firstly, make sure to establish a well-crafted profile where you can showcase any skill you possess, such as design, consulting, or translation services. Detail everything without exaggeration and be precise about your experience. Also, strive to make your response time to messages as swift as possible. We advise against conducting business off the platform, as the site is responsible for securing your payments. Fiverr disclaims responsibility for any dealings outside of it. Also, you should precisely define the work that can be accomplished within a specific time frame, such as the number of words you're able to translate, along with the corresponding rate. Additionally, it's crucial to include links to your work samples so potential clients can easily review them. And add an attractive profile picture that reflects the nature of your services. Present your services and skills as a captivating story, highlighting everything you can provide to ensure your client's advantage. A client purchases a service not because of its rarity or uniqueness, but because it proves beneficial to them. So it's essential to showcase the unique benefit your service provides that similar offerings lack. Then, focus on service pricing. To start, you can offer services for as low as $5. Consequently, your profile will garner more views and you'll acquire clients more rapidly. And if the service quality you provide is high, you will certainly receive an excellent rating. At the beginning, you will be at level 0 and won't have any clients. You'll begin by offering high-quality services priced at $5 or $10, which will significantly increase your views and elevate you to the next level, specifically levels 1 and 2. Begin increasing your service price to $20 or $30, and then incrementally further. Consequently, you'd receive the same sum, for example, $250, by providing 10 services, whereas at level 0, you were required to complete 50 services to obtain that identical $250. For example, if you're designing a logo, check out others who provide logo design services to learn how they describe their offerings. Additionally, you must ask the client for the complete details regarding the service they are requesting. For instance, if the service is logo design, you need to know if you'll be designing an image or text, the background color, the image format, and so on. This means you should access the client's profile and initiate communication with them through the contact icon to ensure the work fully meets their specific requirements and you receive a good rating. Maximize your profits on Fiverr. Some people offer identical services, and their descriptions are images or videos of their work. Therefore, it's a good idea to create samples of your work and post them. Statistics have demonstrated that incorporating a video of your work with your voiceover attracts 40% more clients, similar to this example. When you're first getting started on Fiverr, if you can deliver a service in a single day, then be sure to clearly state that in your listing. Make it known that you need 2 or 3 days for completion. By delivering it in less time, you'll be able to create a very good impression on the client. Additionally, you have the option to offer various prices for the identical service, incorporating diverse service upgrades and including service add-ons. For instance, you could charge more for expedited delivery or for processing a greater number of images or words. It is always best to reply to your clients when they give positive feedback on your completed services and make sure to use your actual name to build customer trust. It's also worth mentioning that you can buy cheap services from other freelancing sites and sell them for a higher price on Fiverr. Here are some services you can offer on Fiverr. Design is considered one of the top and most crucial services available on microservices platforms such as Fiverr and Kamsat. This is because there's a significant number of services provided on Fiverr, and these services are continuously sought after on microservice sites. Among the most popular design services available on Fiverr are logo design, template design, photo editing and enhancement, background removal, and business card design. This also includes designing menus for restaurants or cafes, brochures, and more. Blogging and article writing are considered among the most vital, top-rated, and highly requested services on microservices platforms. For instance, a person might request an article on a particular subject, and you would then provide that service to them at an appropriate price. The great thing about this service is that you set the price of the article based on the word count. For instance, a 500-word article for $5 or 1,500 words for $10. Of course, the quality of the content will depend on your creative ability to produce engaging material for the reader. So, you should offer inspiring ideas in your posts. This gives you a unique style and makes your article writing services highly sought after, which in turn increases your earnings. Next up, digital marketing services. Digital marketing on Google and social media platforms ranks among the most sought-after marketing and promotional services on microservices websites. Many individuals actively seek sponsored advertisements, website or specific page promotions, and ad campaigns across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and naturally, Google Ads. So, if you possess expertise in Facebook or Google Ads marketing, then Fiverr provides you with the prime opportunity to extend these services to a wide array of individuals and generate income in return. Some other services you can offer on Fiverr include business and financial services, market research and studies, marketing consultations, programming and development services such as Java and .NET programming, website and forum development, coding education, homework assistance, and SEO services, e-commerce, promotional articles and publishing, writing and translation services, and now, how to withdraw your earnings. This site allows you to withdraw your money through two major payment platforms, Payoneer and PayPal. The minimum withdrawal for Payoneer is $20 and the minimum for PayPal is $4. Share your questions in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.